Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Elijah Dorsey. I am a graphic designer from Quinnipiac University, and today we'll be going over the user interface video for the Restoration Muse tablet application. So what we want to do with this is conserve our history and catalog all of the artifacts and collections within your museum's database. So the point of Restoration Muse are for conservers and restorers of museums and other institutions to be able to have readily access to all of their artifacts on hand through this mobile device. So we're going to take a look inside of the app, and once you open the app from the home on your tablet, you'll be instructed to log in using your username and password. So I'm going to click that and begin to type in my username and password and hit done. And that will bring you to your home page. So as you can see on screen, there is a section for my collections, restoration alarms, and reminders. The point of this is to have all of the restoration information as well as your collections in a one-stop page. When you look at my collections, you're going to either have the option of adding a new sketch or reviewing some of your old collections or artifact profiles. So for what I'm going to show you, we're going to go to the Africa exhibit. As you can see, it opens up to our Sketchpad feature where there are two different types of navigation. There is a taskbar navigation at the top and a toolbar navigation at the bottom. The taskbar navigation allows users to either delete the artifact, they can change the graph paper by pressing this icon here, they can upload an image from taking a picture with their camera or from their albums, and they can also record voice memos, share, and search throughout their artifacts. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. So this is what would happen if I wanted to delete this Africa exhibit artifact, and then obviously I would not want to delete it at this time, so I will hit cancel. Next I'll try to change the graph paper. We're going to keep it with the graph system that we have now, and the rest are just as simple as clicking and manipulating the effects to add this to your Sketchpad. Also, as I mentioned below, here is the toolbar where you can use the type tool, the pencil tool, the marker tool, eraser, cutting, dragging, and of course undo and redo. So I'm going to take you back to the home screen now, and we're also going to go over the restoration alarms and reminders section. So another point of this application is so that the conservers that are using this app will be able to remember and record when it's time for their artifacts to be restored or conserved. So with these two plugins on this side of the screen, we're able to see what needs to be done. So as we can see here that the Macedonian era mammoth exhibit needs to be restored by 7/27/14. So that's coming up very quickly. So at that time, we would make the proper decisions to call the conservers and get this exhibit ready to be restored. So in case we wanted to add an alarm or get rid of them or move them around, we would hit the edit button up here. So just similar to the notes or the reminders section in iOS 7 for the iPad, we would do the same thing. So we'd click the minus tool where we can either delete or keep going. So I want to keep that alarm going, so I'll leave it alone. And next up, I will show you how to manipulate the reminders field. So if we want to add a reminder or get rid of it, we do the same thing. So I'm going to add a new reminder here. And the keyboard will pop up from the bottom so I can type in what I would want to be reminded of. So right now we have a reminder for prepare specimen presentation for upcoming meeting with Valerie and Paul. That's a good reminder for me. I don't want to have another one, so I'll just click done and it will take me back to what I need to do. With that said, you can also create a new artifact profile, and the rest is history. So thank you for watching this presentation. My name is Elijah Dorsey, and this is the UI video for the Restoration Muse tablet application.